3 years ago, I was a guy who just graduated high school, dreaming all his life of becoming a scientist. But he did not have a university to go to because he was living in a place of war. But because of a scholarship from the Institute of International Education, I was able to travel to Canada and start studying physics. That was a very hard experience, and that's why I promised myself to help at least one more person who has lived the same experience. And that's why in my second semester at the university, I started working on a project with a group of my friends to create our own scholarship by calling for a referendum to ask every student at the university if they approve paying $2 extra per semester. And these $2 would go to sponsoring one refugee student every year to come to Canada and study here with us at this campus. After a long campaign, we won the referendum by 93% and created our own scholarship at Memorial University. Don't let the 2020 pandemic be a reason that less students like me 3 years ago get the chance of helping others and achieving their dreams. Let it be a reason that we remember that we don't only care about the refugee crisis, but we actually want to make a difference. We want to make a real difference, and we want to take an action.